may mark the spot, but in our game, a cross is way more valuable. This is how to cross the ball. When you want to set up a goal for a teammate across the field, you'll need to know how to cross the ball. It's how you get the ball from an outer area of the field into the middle of the field in front of the goal to create an opportunity to score with one touch, like that. Prior to the cross, get your head up to see where your teammates are, then open the hips and strike with the instep below the center of the ball, like that. It's somewhere between a chip and a drive. You want some air under it and speed to get it over defenders who might be in the way. And you want to land the ball slightly away from the goalie. Your teammate, meanwhile, is en route to finish the job, like that. Let us slow it down for you. Head up, then open the hips, and strike. And soccer glory is just one touch away.